Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be answering the question, what do I think about smog shops in the future? One of you guys asked me this question in one of my live streams, so I'm going to answer it in the video format for you guys. If you guys do have any other questions you guys want me to answer, leave it in the comment section below, or you can email me at my email address, link in the description below. Hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel because it helps build a community, and I want you guys here improving with us and getting to the top together. Let's get it. So, what do I think about smog shops in the future? Well, guys, it's very simple. Smog shops are always going to be a thing. Whether it's going to be a smog shop or another form of government inspection, there's going to be something like it. If it's not a smog shop because everything might be going electric or hybrid, it might be some other form of inspection location, right? Because the government wants to control the vehicles that are on the road. They want to make sure that you are compliant with their emission standards and everything else that they got going on their end. I don't really want to get into that, but the government wants to control vehicles. They want to control your travel. They want to make sure that you are in compliant with everything that they set. So they will always have some form of inspection. So smogs are there to make sure that your emission systems are working properly. And if you want to be conspiratorial about it, the reason I think they're there is so that you modify your vehicle to the point where they can control what you're doing with your car. A lot of people say it's because of the environment. I don't really think it's that. I think it's because of control, like everything, right? Government just wants control. So they want to control everything about you and everything, your entire life. So they will make sure that they put something in place so that you do take a car to inspection so that you have to abide by their rules. For right now, smogs are a thing because of internal combustion engines. Later on in the future, it might just be safety, whatever. So if you have a smog shop, I wouldn't really worry about the future. You're always going to have a job so long as you're doing something with the government that allows them to keep track of the regular consumer of automotives. So I don't think it's going to be a big problem. I think smogs are always going to be in place, whether it's a smog for specifically checking emission systems, or if it's just safety, or if it's just making sure that you're not modifying your car that they don't want you to, or how they would not want you to, then it's going to be in some form or another. So smog shops are always going to be a thing. I think that it's a good business to be in. It's very easy to get into a smog shop. It's not, I mean, easy is relative, but you know what I mean. It's like there's not very much skill required to open up a smog shop. You just have to learn the basics. You have to get your license for it. You have to get approved by the government. You have to have a building with the smog dyno. You have to know how to run the machine, and that's basically it. On top of that, the business side of it is very simple to run. You got to have marketing, and the marketing that you have to do is basically pricing out your competitors. So you always want to offer discounts or more value by giving them a nice waiting room, making it fast, making it efficient, making sure that you have good reviews on your website, making sure that the customers you do have or have had in the past, you consistently send them material for them to remember you. So you send them postcards, you send them emails, you send them text messages, you send them reminders to come in every 2 years to get their smog done. Like in Cali, you got to do it every 2 years. So it's very easy to run a smog shop, and in the future, I think it'll be easy as well. There's not going to be very much competition there's not going to be very much in as far as difference when it comes to the business. It's always going to be the same. Car comes in, they check it out, the car goes out. Okay, it's very simple. So I think smog shops are going to be okay. So if you guys do have a smog shop, don't worry, you're going to be in business for a long time, because the government wants to make sure that the consumer doesn't do anything funny with their cars that they can't control. It is what it is. So yes, smog shops are going to be okay, guys, so don't worry about it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you liked about the video, and if you do find this information valuable, please donate to their PayPal link in the description below, or buy a shirt at automechanicclub.com. It really does help the channel and it helps keep producing content. So, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Do it again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's go time! Yeah, guys, today I'm talking about this ratchet. Yeah, see this guy?
Think that. Again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's go time! Go time!
Yep.